In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact in UPDF. Now, the first thing you want to do when you open your document, you want to go to the top left and click on Tools, and you want to switch over to the Redact mode. When you do so here, you have a bunch of different tools to actually redact with, so let me demonstrate this over here on this demo document. So to redact, first you have to select your redacted area fill color over here on the right. So you'll be redacting in that way. You can click on the redact over here and you'll be able to just redact whatever. So I'm going to select the color. I'm just going to do, let's just actually do this one, which is like the blue. You could do black as well if you want to, but of course any color will do over here. Then you can put overlay text as well if you want. You can put like redaction code or custom text, so up to you. For example, I'm just going to type in, for example, redacted like this. There we go. And then here you can also select your redaction mark appearance. You can select borders. I'm actually going to create a red border over here and the fill color as well. So I'm going to do this one, as we said, and the opacity as well. Okay. Now, whenever you do that, you can mark things for redaction first. So you can either mark like rectangles. If I want, for example, this entire thing, I can just draw a rectangle with my left mouse button like this, or I could do text. So if I want text, I can hover over text and then this placeholder will basically appear. I can just go ahead and basically hover over it and it's going to redact that specific portion of text. Of course, when I hover over it, you can see the redacted message. It's actually working like intended. You don't have to do this. I just did it to actually showcase you the features. And then whenever you've done that, when you're happy and ready to redact, just click on the apply button up top, and then this will basically apply the redaction. As you can see here, this is now redacted and it says redacted over it over here. Okay, so that's now essentially the basics of how to redact. And if you now save this, things are going to get redacted, and of course they're no longer inside your document. And yeah, that's it. So up top, notice you also have this redact pages button, which is going to redact all the pages you select, so the entire page. For example, if I do all the pages over here, I can select to fill a redacted area with black color, click on redact, and every single page is going to be redacted just like this. As you can see, it's going to be basically filled with black, and you can easily redact the entire page just like this without having to select anything. You could also search and redact, so you could just look for example, objects like this. I'm going to search for that, and there we go, it's over here. I can select this, and it's of course going to get redacted just like that. And then you also have this sanitize document option, which basically you'll be able to see here what it does. It's going to remove a bunch of different things. If you want to do this, click on OK and you're good to go. But essentially, you just have to mark for redaction and then you can just apply the redactions with this button, and that's all there really is to it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.